To play CarX Treat on a PC or laptop, there is a workaround, as the game is currently only available on mobile devices. First, check if the game is available on Steam, a popular gaming platform. If it is, you can download and play it directly from the Steam website. However, if the game is not available on Steam, you can use an application called BlueStacks to install and play it on your PC or laptop. To do this, start by searching for BlueStacks in a web browser and downloading the application from the official BlueStacks website. Once downloaded, install BlueStacks on your PC or laptop and open it. You will then need to create a new instance, which can be done by going to the Instance Manager and clicking on New Instance. Choose the Android 11 option and select your preferred settings, such as CPU cores, memory allocation, and resolution. After setting up the instance, you will need to download and install it, which may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, start the instance and wait for it to boot up. You can then search for CarX Treat in the Google Play Store. Sign into your account and install the game. While the game is installing, you can adjust the settings on your device, such as display and graphics, to optimize performance. Once the game is installed, you can start playing it on your PC or laptop. Simply click on the Play button to launch the game, and you can start enjoying it as you would on a mobile device.